everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, I will be doing a brief walkthrough of my living room, dining room, kitchen, and sitting area. I'm just going to show you all where I put some of the items I recently purchased from a previous haul. I'm not going to do much talking in this video because I do have a couple of more videos that are coming up and I'll be doing a little more talking than usual in that video. So please enjoy the video and stay to the end. We do have a surprise towards the middle of the video, so please stay tuned and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. So first of all, I want to thank y'all. I want to thank all of my subscribers. I really do appreciate you all. I want to thank you for watching my videos. I want to thank you all for the feedback. I really do appreciate you all tuning in and helping me get to this 20K. I'm going to open this gift, and this gift is for me, but there's an identical one that will be going to one of you. So let me go ahead and open it so you all will see what it is. A Thompson Ferrier candle is valued at $80, and one lucky person will win this candle. The giveaway will start today, and it will end on Wednesday, February 17th. February 17th at 5 p.m. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel. If you already are subscribed, that's fine. This giveaway is for subscribers only. So just leave a comment in the comment section and I will announce the winner on Wednesday. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day. So let's go over the rules for the giveaway. Number 1, you have to live in the United States. Number 2, you have to be subscribed to my channel. If you're already subscribed, that's fine. Number 3, you have to leave a comment in the comment section. You can leave a heart, a rose, or an XO just to let me know you did watch the video. And number 4, just give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.
Talk to me nice.